Hello, I'm Cheng, and I'm proud to introduce to you a handy little tool that we have developed to help you calculate how much Intra Hydrocare you need to clean or maintain your drinking system. Let's take a look. This is the Intra Hydrocare calculator. You can find it on our website, www.intracare.nl. You will find the Intra Hydrocare calculator under our Products and Support menu. This calculator works both on a mobile or desktop device. First, select the purpose of using Intra Hydrocare. Is your house empty, or are you cleaning between cycles? Then choose the cleaning calculator. First, determine the total length of your drinking lines in meters. Use the slider to input the data. Next, select the average diameter of your drinking lines. The calculator immediately determines how much water is needed to fill your whole drinking system. Now, select the dosage of Intra Hydrocare you require. Let's go for 2% here. The calculator now displays the amount of Intra Hydrocare you need to clean the whole system. So, should you need to make a solution of Intra Hydrocare to clean your system, just add the amount of Intra Hydrocare displayed here on the right to the amount of water displayed here on the left. Let's say that your house is occupied, or you want to conduct a weekly drinking line maintenance. Then choose the maintenance calculator. First, choose your animal group. Let's take broilers as an example here. First, input the total number of animals you have in the farm. Next, select their age in days. You will then see below the total water consumed by all these broiler chickens in 1 day. Next, use the slider to select the dosage of Intra Hydrocare you require. Let's go for 150 ppm here. You will see the amount of Intra Hydrocare you need for 24 hours. In the case where you don't have a dosing pump that you can set to such low dosages, then you need to make a pre-solution. Select the dosage setting of your pump or medicator in the drop-down list below. Now, you will see the amount of water you need to make a pre-solution for 1 day. To make the pre-solution, add the amount of Intra Hydrocare you have calculated above into the amount of water calculated below. If you need further instructions on how to use Intra Hydrocare or this calculator, please contact your local Intracare representative or email us at info@intracare.nl.